you turn crayons into a hairbrush, a headband, a phone case, or a unique pin? Learn fun life hacks and pranks with crayons in our new video. Guys, meet our new student. This is June. Hi, sit next to me. I'm Rosie. We are having art class right now. It's so boring. Students, we are drawing with crayons today. Yay! Crayons! Lucky me! Take the wrapper off a crayon. Break it into pieces. Melt it in a microwave. Pour in a pastry bag. Shape a few layers of different colors. Take the hardened wax out of the bag. Cut off the sharp tip. Attach a rainbow Crayola label to a cardboard roll. Apply glue to the base of the cone and fasten it on top of the roll. Oh man, another artist! And I thought we were gonna be friends! Andy has a secret crush on Rosie, but today he's done hiding. Andy will write a letter to his dream girl. Melt a crayon with a blowtorch. Apply drops of wax to parchment paper. Stamp it. Attach the stamp to an envelope with double-sided tape. Psst. You got mail! But Sean doesn't like this turn of events because he thought Rosie was his girlfriend. Andy, don't get your hopes up. Rosie and Andy are on their first date. Nothing can ruin it. Waiter, please take our order. Sure, just a sec. I don't see anything suspicious. Bon appetit! That's Sean! He decided to ruin our date. He brought a candle instead of ice cream. Put a crushed candle in a bowl. Add a pink crayon. Melt and stir. Put a wick in a latte cup and pour in the melted wax. Stir the rest of the wax. Let it harden a bit. Shape a ball with an ice cream scoop. Sprinkle on small pieces of crayons. Make a hole with a wooden skewer. Put the scoop on the wick. We get a tasty dessert candle. Oh, my ice cream! No, hold on. Let's make it more romantic. Oh, this is an ice cream candle. How cute! I'll post it on Instagram. Melt yellow crayons. Pour the wax in a mold. Add another layer of melted white crayon. A crayon egg is done! I might break all my teeth on this egg. Look, there's a panda over there. Where? Whoops! I just imagined it. I think I was too hungry. June doesn't leave her beloved crayons behind even when she's at a cafe. Did you pick out a dessert already? No, thanks. I have my own. Apply hot glue to parchment paper and fasten a tube vertically. Add food coloring to melted chocolate. Mix and pour it in the tube. Take out the hardened wax. Shape it like a crayon. Decorate with a Crayola label. Now that's a real Crayola fan! The girls are fortune telling with crayons. This is the most precise method to see the future. Trust me. Draw a crayon. Watch my hands. Boom! Let's see. I can tell that you'll marry a rich, handsome man. You'll have a luxurious life, fame, and wealth. That's what the crayon says. Let it be so. Now rub the crayon and throw it over your left shoulder. This is an amulet, so you can have direct contact with the powers of the universe. Cover the holes in a brooch back with tape. Crush black, blue, and white crayons and put them in the brooch. Put in a preheated oven for 5 minutes. The melted crayons create a space pattern. Once the crayon cools, coat it with clear nail polish. Add stars with white paint. The whole universe is in your hand. This amulet will transmit all your wishes into space, but it's important to know exactly what you want. Thanks, June! You are amazing! Oh, it looks like a serious fight is about to happen between Andy and Sean, and June is in the wrong place. Whoops! June, I'm sorry! Guys, don't worry, it's okay. I'll fix it. How embarrassing! Great crayons. Use yellow, red, and blue ones. Cut out a stencil of the Wonder Woman logo. Attach it to a t-shirt. Fill the stencil with grated crayons. Cover the picture with parchment paper. Melt the crayons with an iron. Remove the stencil. I'll write June an apology note. Sean, look! Now I have a new stylish t-shirt thanks to you. What? June? That's stunning! And I drew you a flower. I think I'm in love. This is the last classroom I have to clean. What's that? Get away from me, demon! Sorry, I got carried away. I was customizing a phone case. Attach crayons to a sheet of cardboard in the order of the rainbow. Direct a stream of hot air from a hairdryer to it so they drip down. Let them harden. Cut out a piece to fit the phone. Glue it to a silicone case. Coat with clear nail polish. I nearly had a heart attack. Relax, I'll help you clean. But even when June vacuums, there's a rainbow crayon trace on the carpet. Draw outlines of crayon drippings on parchment paper. Apply hot glue along the line. Melt a crayon and fill the piece you made with it. Use different shades of crayons. Oh no! Let me do it! Now I'll have to clean wax off the carpet! While Andy is busy taking pictures of Rosie, Sean decides to leave a secret present for June. I'm invisible, like a ninja! June loves crayons. She'll definitely like my surprise. Melt a white crayon. Add pink glitter. Mix. Pour the mixture you got in a tube. Take the hardened crayon out of the mold. Sharpen the end. Cover it with a Crayola wrapper. Coat the crayon with glitter. Make a few colors. Ew! I need to freshen up my breath. Gum! This is exactly what I need. Melt the crayon and pour it in an empty bubblegum package. Make it look like a brand new pack. June notices the glitter crayon right away and figures out who left this gift. Was that you, Sean? Thanks! Yeah, June. Do you like it? A lot, Sean. Your teeth. Let me wipe it. There you go. Let's draw together. We are having a dance. Andy and Rosie got all dressed up. Andy, we'll be the prom queen and king for sure. Whoa, who's that? Is that really June and Sean? Your jacket got a little dirty. Let me help you. June is using her amazing tiara to color Sean's jacket. Glue magnets to crayons. And fasten them to a metallic headband. Interchange long and short crayons. Hi, Andy and Rosie. June, Sean, you look stunning. A crayon tiara is a genius idea. Rosie, your outfit is cute, but it's missing something special. I have something for you. Sean, give me our amazing brush. Remove bristles from an old hairbrush. Trim some crayons and glue them on instead of brush bristles. June is brushing Rosie's hair with a crayon hairbrush, and a colorful strand appears on Rosie's white hair. Whoa! Now that's way better! You look bright and unique! Wow. Thanks, June! See you later! Phew! June can have all the colorful crayons! I like natural beauty more! Did you like our Crayola life hacks and pranks? Then comment below what you liked the most. A crayon egg, gum, or ice cream, or an edible chocolate crayon. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new fun ideas from Troom.